Welcome, my dear students. Today we are going to do email writing. It's very easy and we are going to learn lots of emails today. How to type an email, how to send an email. So you will learn email. Students, you are living in an era which is a computer age, jet age. It is an era of email or electronic mail. Electronic mail is the mode of exchanging digital messages across the internet or other computer network. It is quickest way to communicate in writing. It has gained preference over traditional means of communication, that is letter writing. So ਜਦੋਂ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਚਿੱਠੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਭੇਜੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਨੂੰ। ਦੋਸਤ, ਸਹੇਲੀ, ਮਿੱਤਰ, ਮਾਤਾ, ਪਿਤਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਕਮਿਊਨੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਜੇ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ, ਜੇ ਉਹ ਦੂਰ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਲੈਟਰ ਰਾਈਟਿੰਗ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਠੀਕ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਸੀ। पर अजकल के जोड़े बच्चे हैं वो जेट एज के हैं। इंटरनेट अजकल सब को उपलब्ध है, तुसी भी घर बैठे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का मज़ा लै रहे हो। सो तुहानू घर बैठे किन्नी ही चीज़ां सीखण नूं मिलदियां हन। इसलिए अज दे दौर दे विच ईमेल का अपना ही एक विशेष इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है। हुण ईमेल जिहड़ी है वो इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है, इनके कई कारण हैं। द फर्स्ट वन इज इट इज़ क्विक एंड डायरैक्ट। द सेकेंड वन इज इट हैज़ फास्ट रिस्पॉन्स। चिट्ठी नूं पहुंचण लग्गियां तां समां लगदा है, पर ईमेल तां झट ही पहुंच जाती है। वैन इट इज़ सेंट फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर पर्पस, देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ पर्पस ऑफ राइटिंग एन ईमेल। And the last one is it is very easy and takes no time. ईमेल सीखण लई कुछ नियम है। There are some do's and don'ts. Let's see the do's first. You should use appropriate salutations. It should be proofread before pressing the send button. Email should be brief and concise. It should be to the point. Place the most important information first. So जिहड़ी ज़रूरत दी गल है उही आपां पहलां करनी हुंदी है। Write a meaningful and informative subject line. Use numbers and bullets to make the message clearer. Have your default signature at the end of email. It should include your name, designation, or it may include your address and phone number in case of formal emails. Write short sentences, separate paragraphs, and use simple grammar and language. Now, what you should not do while writing an email. You should not write about irrelevant issues, or you should not use long sentences. You should not use italics. You should not use exclamation marks. You should not use capital letters to write whole words in emails. This is considered as shouting. You should not use different fonts. You should not use incomprehensible abbreviations, acronyms, and similes. Many students use hello, HLLO, or WhatsApp language in email. Madam is not written, it is written ma'am. So please avoid these. You should not give personal information that you don't want someone else to know. How you should write an email? See, first you have to make a format of it. You can use these boxes which I have made for you. There is a column of 2 जिन्हों तुसी ईमेल भेजनी है उनका ईमेल एड्रैस इत्थे लिखना है। फिर जो ईमेल भेज रहा है फ्रॉम जिदे वालों ईमेल जानी है उनका एड्रैस उस बॉक्स विच आएगा। थर्ड बॉक्स जिहड़ा है वो डेट दा है, तुसी उत्थे डेट पानी है। डेट उस तरह ही पानी है, पहला मंथ, फिर उस तो बाद जिहड़ा दिन है, देन ईयर, देन सब्जेक्ट। हियर आई हैव टेकन इन्विटेशन फॉर बर्थडे पार्टी। देन you are starting the email, dear Ananya, because the address of Ananya was given in 2, so I have used Ananya only. Then comes the body of the letter, because it is invitation for birthday party. You can invite your friend Ananya on a birthday party. For this you have to give details of your birthday party. The main details are date, venue and time. On which date is your birthday? What is the time for the party? And what is the venue? Whether it is restaurant or it is at your home. Then you have to end up email with regards Arush. So this is the format of a simple email. Here is another example. Again, address, to, from, date, then subject. Because it is condolence, so we are sending our condolences through email. So the email is being written to Jagan or Sanam or any person. In the email I have written, I was extremely sad to learn about your father's sudden death from Ravi, who informed me last evening. I don't have words to express my grief, as it's hard to believe about his death. I had to reach at the time of funeral, but unfortunately could not make it because I was out of the city due to some pre-scheduled meetings. Your father was a great person, nice, very calm, helpful and wonderful human being who had great intellectual achievements. Although I met your father only a limited number of times, but his impression on me is simply everlasting. We will always miss him. I pray the Almighty that his soul might rest in peace. Please accept my most sincere condolences and also convey the same to your mother. Regards, Raju. So this is the condolence letter which you have already done, and we are giving it a form of email. You are sending an email. तुसी अपना अफसोस प्रगट कर रहे हो, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੋਸਤ ਦੇ ਪਿਤਾ ਦੀ ਡੈਥ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਈਮੇਲ ਵੱਡੀ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਛੋਟਾ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. It is up to you. Now students, I have done something for you. Some students cannot write very long emails, so I have shortened some email. You just have to give necessary information. Like if you get an email, write an email to your friend informing him why you want him to excuse you for not attending his birthday party. The format will remain the same. As I have told you, you just have to draw boxes also, to, from, date, subject. Then you just have to write, dear Navdeep, it is your birthday party on Sunday, but my mother is not well, so I cannot come to the party. Happy birthday to you. Regards, Mandi. So this is the way to write a short email. Then if you get an email, you have to express your condolences, which we have done. You can also write, it was very long, which we did earlier. You can just write, I am very sorry for your father. Your father was a very good person. May his soul rest in peace. So this is your email. Coming to the next one, it is about the inauguration of the company. So, dear Navdeep, please come for the inauguration of my company. The party is on Sunday at 10 a.m. at Gupta and Sons, the mall, Ludhiana. So this must be Gupta and Sons, must be the name of his company where he has decided to throw the party. So you can invite your friend over there only. Then is write an email to your new employer thanking him for the interview. So dear Navdeep, thank you for the interview. I will be happy to work for you. This will also work. The next one, write an email to your friend inviting him to attend your parents' marriage anniversary. Students, whenever you have to give an invitation for inauguration, for anniversary, for birthday, for marriage, you just have to keep three things in mind. You have to tell date, venue and time. So, it's my parents' anniversary on this Sunday. Please come for the party at 8 p.m. in The Tables. The Tables is the name of restaurant. You can use any restaurant name, or at home you can write. Coming to the next one, write an email to a colleague about details of his salary report. Dear Navdeep, details of your salary report are ready. Please come to collect them. The next one, write an email to a friend who had requested you for donation for flood camp. So just you have to write that I am sending 5,000 rupees in your account for the camp which is being organized for the victims. And the next one is, write an email to your school principal for issuing a school living certificate. You can write your name, dear sir, my name is Mandeep, I am in class section, my roll number is this, but my family is shifting to Chandigarh, so please issue me my school living certificate. You can also write the reason for it, that my father has got a transfer, he is in a transferable job and he has got a job in Chandigarh. It is up to you. How much length do you want to keep? The next one is, write an email to your class teacher in the school asking her for an extension of leave. Now what is extension of leave? It means that you were already on leave and you want to extend your leave. So dear sir or dear madam, my name is so and so. My mother is not well, so I cannot come to school. Kindly extend my leave for a week. You can give another reason also, whatever you like. The next one is, write an email to the supplier asking for the replacement of smartphone. So you must have ordered a smartphone and now you want replacement for it. You can give any reason for that. Here I have given, my order was for Oppo F9 but I got Vivo S1, so kindly replace the phone. So this is the way how you have to send email. The next one, write an email to a friend inviting him for the opening ceremony of your new office. Now you have to give date, venue and time, as I have already told you. You will write, dear whatever is the name, please come for opening ceremony of my office. The party is on Sunday, or you can quote here the date, at 10 a.m. at 112 Model Gram, Ludhiana. You can give any address, students. So the next one, write an email to your colleague informing about the change in the schedule of meeting with client. Dear sir, ma'am, or you can write the name also. There is a change in schedule of a meeting with Mr. Raman. It is on Friday at 10 a.m. now. So just you have to give information. Write an email to the principal requesting her to procure books for the school library. So as it is written her, you have to write, dear madam, the new syllabus books for class 2 are not there in the library. Kindly procure some new books for the library. Regards, you can write your name. Write an email to your younger sister asking her to come home from the hostel on the weekend. So you can write the name of your sister or dear sister, dear Didi. It is your birthday on Sunday. So come home on the weekend for the party. That's it. Write an email to your colleague about the recent changes in the sales policy of your company. So you just have to write that there are some changes in the sales policy of the company and it will be implemented from, you can write any date, August 1, 2000. Here XX I have used the year in which you are writing, you can use 2020. Then 16th, write an email to your father requesting him to transfer some money in your account so that you can clear the dues before final exams. So you have to ask money to your father. So dear Papa, I need 2000 rupees so that I can clear my dues before his final exams. So this is sufficient. You can give another reason also if it is given in the email. Because it is given to clear the dues, you have to write that I want to clear my dues before final exam, and the last date also you can mention. Write an email to a friend requesting her to help you in preparing an important presentation for a big client. Here students, you can write, I request you to help me in preparing presentation for Mr. Raman. You can also give her time or place, or you can tell her to come to your home this evening at 5 p.m. You can write anything. Next one is, write an email asking for replacement of faulty headphone set delivered to you. So you have to be very formal and you have to write, dear sir, the headphone set that you sent are faulty. Please replace it. So this is about email. So students, now these are the exercises for your practice. Practice them at home. If you find any problem, you can discuss it with me anytime. So please do practice. The first one is, write an email to a friend inviting him for the opening ceremony of your new office. Write an email to your colleague informing about the change in schedule of meeting with your client. Next one is to the principal of your school requesting her to procure some books for the library, which we have already covered. You have to write to your younger sister asking her to come for home. You can give other reason than mine. Write an email to your colleague about the recent changes in the sales policy. Write an email to your father requesting him to transfer some money. Then to your friend requesting her to help you in preparing an important presentation. Write an email to the customer service center of an e-commerce company asking for replacement of a faulty headphone set delivered to you. You are a manager at an automobile service center. Write an email to your purchase department head about the immediate steps to be taken to check the shortage of supplies of spare parts at your location. And the last one, write an email to your friend asking him to join you for dinner at home. All these emails I have discussed. You just have to change your language and reason for it just for practice, and make sure that it should be precise and brief and to the point. Thanks for watching students. Thank you.